Hey, what's up guys, Prabhat here, and I'm here with tips, tricks and some new S Pen features of the Galaxy Note 9. This video will surely help you to learn more about this device and enhance your user experience. I will also be coming up with videos like Note 9 accessories, followed by extended usage review. So stay tuned for that. Now without any further ado, let's get this started. Let's start with the notification panel. By default, swiping down on the home screen will take you to the app drawer. But you can go to home screen settings by tapping and holding onto the home screen and enable Quick Open Notification panel. Now swiping down on the home screen will take you to the notification bar instead of the app drawer, and swiping it again will bring you all the toggles. Very handy as you don't have to reach the top, especially considering its size. By default, we don't have the brightness slider here. As we adjust the brightness more frequently, having the brightness slider right here makes more sense. So to bring it up, go to Notification panel and press the drop-down menu beside the brightness slider. Now enable Show Control on top. There you go. From Settings, Notifications, if you go on to App Icon Badges, you have options to show your notification with number or show without number. I personally set it to show without number for a much cleaner and minimal look. Next up, let's talk about the new stereo speaker and how to maximize the listening experience. So go to Settings, Sounds and Vibrations, scroll all the way down. Under Sound Quality and Effects, enable Dolby Atmos. Doing this will get you the best sound output from this device. And furthermore, you can also tweak these equalizers to enhance your multimedia experience. Moving on, as you can see, I have this minimal multi-window view, which is easier to navigate. To get this style, go to Recent Apps, hit Menu, and select the List view. Much better now, less cluttered. If you go on to Settings, Display and Navigation bar, here you get loads of options to customize your navigation bar. You can show or hide the navigation bar to fully get an immersive display. Double tapping this black dot will hide the navigation bar. You need to swipe up to get it back. And double tapping the dot again will make the navigation bar stay. It won't auto hide. So the fact that you can do this from this navigation bar itself is very handy. You can also change the color of your navigation bar. One cool thing here is if you are missing the physical home button, you can enable this Unlock with Home button. Now on the lock screen, you get a virtual home button, which will help you to wake the device and also unlock the device if you don't have any security enabled. Now let's talk about Always On Display. If you go on to Settings, Lock Screen, here you have Face Widgets. Under Face Widgets, apart from other options, now we have Weather option. Quite a nifty addition. Enable this and now you can check your weather info right from your Always On display. You don't have to unlock your device. A really cool addition, I believe. Coming back to the lock screen, we have a new security added, which is called Intelligent Scan. This basically uses face and iris recognition together for better accuracy and security. Works perfect in any lighting condition and is really fast. Definitely give it a try. Going back, if you go on to clock style, you can change the clock style on your lock screen and Always On display. Select Always On display and here you can choose from animated GIFs, which looks really cool. You can also add your own GIFs or choose from the default GIFs. Then we have app shortcuts. These are shortcuts that we quickly access from the lock screen. By default, we have Phone and the Camera app. You can change it to any other app you frequently use, for example, Calculator. Now let's talk about advanced features. Go to Settings, Advanced Features. We will come to the S Pen in a bit. First, let's move on to Finger Sensor Gesture. Enable this, and this will allow you to access your notification panel when you swipe down on the fingerprint scanner. Then we have Dual Messenger. I feel this is an underrated feature. Since Note 9 supports dual SIM, this feature makes a lot of sense, as you can have multiple accounts for apps like WhatsApp, Viber, Messenger, etc. Comes in very handy while managing personal and professional account from a single device. Scroll down and here you have touch sensitivity. If you are using a thick tempered glass, make sure you enable this for smooth and responsive touches. Now finally, let's talk about the new S Pen features. When on the lock screen, you can quickly write down the notes. But a new feature here is you can pin this note to the always on display. This remains for 30 minutes and I feel it's very handy for a quick reminder. So coming back to S Pen settings, first is S Pen Remote. Basically, you can assign functions to the S Pen button. You can hold down the S Pen button to perform any actions. You can choose whether you want to create a note, launch any app, or perform a certain action. Then we have app actions. As of now, we have some compatible apps which works with this feature. Hopefully they will add more soon. For example, you can single press to take a picture or double press to switch the camera. You can change these actions to any other actions you want. Similarly, you can assign actions for other apps like media controls, PowerPoint presentations, etc. Next cool feature is Unlock with S Pen. Basically, if your phone locks while you are using your S Pen or if your S Pen is out, then you can press the S Pen button to unlock this device. So these are the new S Pen features that comes with the Note 9, and I believe rest of the features are already known with the previous Note series. If you notice something new, feel free to leave your comments down below. As always, stay tuned for upcoming contents, leave your suggestions, and I will catch you guys in the next one.